Hello everyone, my name is Lina, which is short for Lina Mandla, and today I will be teaching you Siswati. Now let me say that in Siswati. Sanibonani nonke, libito lami ngu Lina. Lamuhla ngitobe nginifundzisa Siswati. In today's lesson, we will be continuing with our vowels and consonants. In the previous lesson, we ended with the consonant HL, which makes the sound sh. Si, sha, sha, li, shati. We will be continuing from there. But before we get into our lesson, let us remind ourselves how to sound our vowels. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Good job. Now let's get into our lesson. The consonant J, which makes the sound J. Jabula. Ja, J, G, Jo, Jo. Jabula. Lijaha. Lijaha. And now the consonant K, which makes the sound K. Likati. Ga, ge, gi, go, gu. Likati. Likabishi. Likabishi. Now the consonant KH, which makes the sound K. Likeke. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. Likeke. Sikati. Sikati. And now the consonant KHW, which makes the sound kwa. Sikwama. Kwa, kwe, kwi, ko, ku. Sikwama. Umukwa. Umukwa. And now the consonant KL, which makes the sound gl. Gl. Liklasi. Kla, kle, kli, klo, klo. Liklasi. And now the consonant L, which makes the sound L. L. Lala. La, le, li, lo, lu. Lala. Liwashi. Liwashi. Now the consonant LW, which makes the sound lwa. Lwa. Lulwimi. Lwa, lwe, lwi, lo, lu. Lulwimi. Lwandle. Lwandle. And now the consonant M, which makes the sound M. M. Malume. Ma, me, mi, mo, mu. Malume. Mage. Mage. And now the consonant MB, which makes the sound B. B. Ulambile. Mba, mbe, mbi, ulambile. Mbabane. Mbabane. And now moving on to the consonant N, which makes the sound N. N. No, no. Na, ne, ni, no. No, no. Namuhla. Namuhla. And now the consonant NC, which makes the sound ng. Sinqumo. Nga, nge, ngi, ngo, ngu. Sinqumo. And now the consonant NDL, which make the sound ndl. Ndl. Indlu. Ndla, ndle, ndli, ndlo, ndlu. Indlu. Indlovu. Indlovu. And now the consonant NG, which makes the sound ng, ng. Mangoza, nga, nge, ngi, ngo. Mangoza. Ingulube, ingulube. And now the consonant NGC, which makes the sound ng. Ingqondvo, nga, nge, ngi, ngo. Ingqondvo, ngqinqa, ngqinqa. And now the consonant NGW, which makes the sound ngwa, ngwa. Ingwenya, ngwa, ngwe, ingwenya. Ingwe, ingwe. Now the consonant NHL, which makes the sound hl. Inhlanhla, nhla, nhle, nhli, nhlo, nhlu. Inhlanhla. Inhlonipho, inhlonipho. And now the consonant NKHW, which makes the sound nkwa, nkwa. Inkwekweti, nkwa, nkwe, inkwekweti. Sinkwa, sinkwa. Moving on to the consonant P, which makes the sound B, B. Sipunu, ba, be, bi, bo, bu. Sipunu. Lipani, lipani. And now the consonant PH, which makes the sound P, P. Liphepha, pa, pe, pi, po, pu. Liphepha. Liphoyisa, liphoyisa. And that is all for today. We have a few consonants remaining, and we will continue with them in our next lesson. For now, keep practicing so that you could be really good at reading, writing, and speaking Siswati.